Gembox Arena in Munich. I'm Peter Drury, and joining me here, our expert, Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
So off we go then. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Yeah, Jordi Alba. He's got such searing pace, Peter. He gets to the byline in the blink of an eye, and from there his crosses are pinpoint and very hard to defend against. This opposition defence is going to have its work cut out trying to keep him quiet.
I wonder whether that has anything to do with you being a defender once upon a time, Jim. Jordi Alba. Now the pass. Could try cutting inside here. Martinez, and it's Fofana. Can he put it away? Great effort, beautifully taken.
That's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming. Well, the first attempt hasn't quite drawn first blood, but they've got a slight edge.
Pizarro, Messi, Motta. Now it's Messi. Looks to slip it through. Taylor going through. Taylor shot a goal!
Well, they won't be deterred from trying again, Peter. They have the bit between their teeth now.
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo! And it's a goal! Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper. Oh, that's